welcome to my channel. My name is Carly from CJ Plans. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell button so you never miss any of my future videos. Today in this video, I want to go ahead and show you how I'm going to set up my monthly for March, and we're going to plan for the first week of March as well. So if you want to continue to see what I'm going to do, just continue to watch, and let's get this thing started. So today I want to go ahead and show you my flip through for February. If you've seen my last video, you saw the setup of my February setup, and this is how everything came out. I didn't finish filling some of the boxes up, but that's fine. And this is my other layouts. If you did watch this video, you can see how I set this up using cardstock from Parker Lane, I believe the name is. And these are the rest. So I took whatever stickers I had left from that setup, I just put it on this side and added some cute heart washi tape there. And then this is my other kit that I also have in my shop. It's called Magical Unicorns. If you're interested in that one, or if you watched my last video on how I set this one up as well, you can go ahead and see that. And I'll link it in the description down below so you can see that video as well. And then I did not do a video on this setup, but I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you how I set it up using some stickers. This washi tape is from Ellie. Some of these stickers, I don't remember what book I used them from, but I think these are from like Color Story. And some to-do lists. I thought this layout came really pretty. And then that's the layout for February. Now we're going to go ahead and do the layout for March. Okay guys, so this is my list for March. So I have everything written down so I wouldn't forget anything, because I do Frankenplan. So I usually have like a list going for what I have for that month. So I'm going to tear this out. I'm also going to take the pages out for this, so I can plan better. So the stickers that I'm going to be using for this layout this month, I'm going to use some of the stickers from my shop as well. I ended up doing some leaf clovers. I'm going to use them as dates. If you're interested, they are available in my shop. And also, my kids don't have school for like a week, and these are available in my shop as well. So I'm going to use those for my planning for the month. And I also wanted to use some of these seasonal, so I can add a few green decorations to that as well. I'm going to be using the March layout for the Shine Stickers Studio book as well. And I think I'm going to pick out some stickers from here. I think will look really nice in the planner. We'll see. We're going to work it out and see. And I think there's some stickers here that I want to incorporate as well. And also I have a sticker book that I did because some of the pages were falling out, so I'm going to see if I pick out some of the books from here. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to make a sticker book like this, just give me a like and let me know what would you like to see. Would you like me to put a cover on it, or just let me know in the links down below what would you like to see, if you would like to do like the whole process on how to make this, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and get started on planning for the month of March, and then I'll come back and have everything all laid out for you, and then I'll let you know what each category is or why I laid that sticker down there, and I'll come back. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera That way you don't have to sit there and watch me look through all my stickers and all that stuff. I'll just come back, have everything laid out, and then we can go ahead and I can plan with you why you watch me plan and why I put that sticker there and what is going on in my life. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. So this is the way the layout came out for the month of March. So I went ahead and put the date stickers from my shop. I also went ahead and added the gas at the end of the week. Usually by Saturday I have to put gas in my car, so I just write the amount that I put every week. I forgot to add a sticker there, but I'll add it later. I ended up taking like just a little car and I took the piece off. I just cut it off. And over here I'm just gonna write the amount that I have to pay for my car insurance. Over here my kids will be having a dentist appointment. This little grocery shopping, I got it from the mom, the super mom, the tiny mini super mom. And I ended up putting some of the little bags that come in, and I just cut it so it's not like the whole thing on there. And then I ended up putting some of these no school stickers. And over here I have to sign up my son for school because he's going to be starting kindergarten. So I'm going to go ahead and write in what I have to do for the month of March. So let's go ahead and write that in. Let's see. Where's my pen? I'm using, these are from Michael's. I absolutely love them. They're $2. They come to a pack and they're $2, and I love the way they write. So I'm going to go ahead and put what we have to pay and what we have going on. Let's see. So on the 2nd, I know I have a baby shower. Okay, so I have the baby shower at 5 p.m. on Saturday. I have to pay my credit card here, so I have to figure out how much that is. Let's see what else we have going on. On the 30th, there is a, let's see, Princess Poppy is going to be at the mall because my daughter is in love with that troll, so I'm going to go ahead and take her. Sign up school for Christopher. Let's see. And then let's see, on the 5th, both of my kids have a dentist appointment. At 9, let's see what else we have going on. Check my list. Oh, and there's also a birthday party. It's at 2:45 p.m. At the laser tag. So I think I pretty much filled everything that I need to fill out for right now. We have to pay for my daughter's school. And then I believe that our insurance is $413, I think. I believe I have to check that. If not, I'll white it out. But I believe, and then I pay $100 towards my credit card. And that's pretty much how it's been filled out for the month of March. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. I'm looking at my list here. We have the March 3rd, the party. March 5th, we have dentist. I think I have a planner meetup on the 9th. Oh, and I also have one on Saturday on the 2nd. So let's put here. It's at 4 p.m. And I have to check one if it's on the 9th or the 16th. I can't remember. But I'll look that up later. And I'll go ahead and add that as well. And then, let's see, what else we have going on. I have no school. The kids have no school from the 18th to the 22nd. So I have that on there. My daughter, I want to take her to go see Princess Poppy. It's going to be at the mall. And then I have to sign up my son for kindergarten. So I think we are pretty much set for the month of March. I was going to do the first week of March, but unfortunately I am running out of time and I have to go get my son. I have to go get my son at school because he does come out at 12, and I am recording this this morning before he gets here, so he's not making all these crazy noises. So this is going to be my layout for the month of March. Hopefully tomorrow I can go ahead and do the layout. I think I'm going to be doing the layout for the mom dashboard because I think it's a little bit easier for me to work with the mom dashboard. And then I'm gonna do another video showing you how I do the other layouts. So I'm thinking sometime next week, sometime on this week, I will do my social media plan with me so you guys can kind of see how I'm trying to get all these YouTube videos up for you. So if you'd like to see any of these future videos, go ahead and give me a comment down below or click on that like button. And thank you for watching and have a great day.